व्यूवर्स, माय नेम इज यशवंत चिंचाने और आप देख रहे हैं लाइव विथ लिव चैनल। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम इस वीडियो में एंटामीबा हिस्टोलाइटिका इस पैरासाइट के बारे में देखेंगे। द पैरासाइट विच कॉजिंग डायरिया और डिसेंट्री और लिवर एब्सेस इन द ह्यूमन बीइंग। द जियोग्राफिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज अ वर्ल्ड वाइड। देन हैबिटेट इन द म्यूकस एंड सबम्यूकस लेयर्स ऑफ लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन ऑफ द मैन। ओके, जो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन है मैन का, वह उनका हैबिटेट होता है। देन व्हाट इज अ मॉर्फोलॉजी? देयर आर 3 phases. First is a trophozoite phase. Trophozoite phase is a feeding stage. It is also known as the infecting stage. Size is 18 to 40 micrometer. Shape irregular रहता है. Nucleus spherical and size is 4 to 6 micrometer. This is the diagram of the trophozoite stage. We see the pseudopodium, then endoplasm, ectoplasm, nucleus membrane and the karyosomes. Then second stage is the pre-cystic stage, which is a smaller in size. Size is 10 to 20 micrometer. Nucleus remains same, round nucleus, endoplasm free of RBC and the other food particles. This is the pre-cystic stage diagram, and which contains the nucleus. Then third stage is the cystic stage. In the cystic stage, there is a infective but a latent stage in which cyst wall parasite become resistant. In the cyst stage, parasite become resistant. Okay. Then size 6 to 9 micrometer and shape is a rounded. This is the diagram of the cystic stage. We see the cyst wall, nucleus, chromatid bodies and glycogen vacuoles. Then methods of reproduction. There are 2 types of reproductions: excistation and incystation. Excistation, in which the cyst get converted into the trophozoite form, means this excistation occurs in the alimentary canal. Quadrinucleate cyst gives rise to the 8 amoebulae, and each one is capable to develop trophozoite. In incystation, transformation of the trophozoite to the cyst occurs in the lumen of intestine. Multiplication, this occurs in the trophozoite form. इसका multiplication in the trophozoite form में होगा. Then occurs by binary fission and affected tissue. Then what is the life cycle? Infected man remains unaltered in the stomach. Man जब infected हो जाएगा, so this trophozoites come in the stomach. Cyst wall ruptures by the action of a trypsin. जो small intestine में trypsin रहता है, उसके action के वजह से cyst wall rupture हो जाएगा. Then it entered into the cecum and excistation occur. Excistation means cyst is converted into the trophozoite form. 4 nucleus converted into 8 amoebulae. Each amoebulae will give rise to the 1 trophozoite. Then this trophozoite entered into the mucus and submucous layer of the large intestine and causing the ulceration of it. To save its species, precystic or cystic form होगा. Then mature quadrinucleate cyst found in the feces and ingested by the man by the contaminated food or water, and this life cycle will be repeated again and again. Then pathogenicity. Because of this entamoeba histolytica, the intestinal lesions are occur. Then amoebians seen. Then abscess formations, ulcer formation we seen. Then there is a pus formation. Clinical features: because of the entamoeba histolytica, human beings suffer from the diarrhea, dysentery, abscess formation and the irritation of the GIT. Lab diagnosis is: we do the stool examination, blood test, antigenic test, serological test, radiological test and the biopsy of an organ. Then what are the prophylaxis? Drink boiled water, food, protect from the contamination, sanitize the all foods, avoid raw fruits and the vegetables. This is all about entamoeba histolytica. So if you some doubt, please ask in the comment section and like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.